Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this video we will be seeing about the Jupiter transit which is going to take place on November 20th 2021. Jupiter moves from Capricorn to Aquarius and it stays there for about 145 days, maximum 5 months. Then it moves away from Aquarius to Pisces during 13th of April 2022. We will be seeing based on the Jupiter's position as well as the places it aspects as well as position of Rahu Ketu and Saturn for each and every zodiac sign, what are the probable benefits a person could get during this period. If you are new to this channel, keep this channel subscribed so that you will get my instant updates whenever I release it. On 20th of November 2021, during the transit, you could see the planetary position being displayed here, where the star is Rohini, and in Taurus you could see there is a conjunction of planets Rahu and Moon there, and in the Libra you could see Mercury is along with Mars, and in Scorpio Ketu is along with Sun, and in Sagittarius you could see Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn being a ruler. Aquarius you could see Jupiter there, that is Jupiter has moved on that particular time, that is around 11:30 p.m. on that same day from Capricorn to Aquarius. On 13th of April 2022 it is Pushya star where Moon is at Leo, and at Libra you could see Ketu there, and at Aries there is a conjunction of planet between Rahu and Mercury. I could see Saturn being ruler at Capricorn, and at Aquarius you could see Mars is there along with Venus, and Jupiter had moved on that particular day to Pisces, that is you could see in Pisces Jupiter is along with Sun. So this is the planetary position once the Jupiter gets transit from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. So in Aquarius Jupiter stays only for 145 days hardly. Now we will be seeing for each and every zodiac sign what is the impact based on the Jupiter's position and the places it aspects. Pisces, the 12th and the last zodiac sign. For Pisces, Jupiter being the owner of the house, it moves from 11th house to the 12th house. So the position of Jupiter is not so favorable, but luckily since it is the lord of these Pisces, it is there at the 12th house, lot of positive expenses can happen during this time. Since Jupiter is hidden at the 12th house, it is not so good for them. Some health issues may happen. Some may find problems in the workplace. There may be a lot of expenses they need to face in workplace as well as for their health issues. Some may find problems with the friends, some may find problems with the co-workers, and they need to spend a lot. Some may have to give some money to the others and it will not come back. So all these problems will happen for Pisces. So the position of Jupiter is not so encouraging, but the places it aspects seems to be highly positive for them, because it aspects the 4th house, 6th house and the 8th house. Only it aspects the 4th house, the strength of the assets will improve. So those who are having a problem in their fixed assets, those who are having problems in their houses they stay, vehicles they purchase, now they will get rid of all these issues. They can invest in share markets and they can get good returns also. For some of them their mother health will get improved, and mother related families will have a good support with them. Those who are in this particular zodiac sign can invest in gold, silver and other ornaments, and they can get good returns out of selling those jewels. And investing in share market will also yield them good profit. Now Jupiter aspecting the 6th house, they will win out of their enemies, the diseases will get reduced. So they have a lot of support with the other people, their partners, their co-workers. One way there may be problems in spending for them, but the other way there will be more support from them also. So now Jupiter aspect in the 8th house, lot of luck will in favor of them. So those who are working in a company, they can get elevated, they can get promoted, they can visit for foreign countries. Some may move out of one place to another place. So a lot of good things can happen. Some may get revenue out of the other sources. So the merchants, they can get good revenue. So especially those who are selling goods, especially FMCG market, they can get good returns during this period for this particular zodiac sign. Now when you consider the negative aspects of Saturn at the 11th house, it becomes functionally more negative planet, so there may be loss in the revenue. Some may not get the revenue in time, some may get lack in salary, some may not get the salary in time, some may get salary which is reduced. So these are some of the issues in the profit that they take during this period. So the position of Saturn is not good. At the same time, the Saturn aspecting the zodiac sign directly, so some may have to face lot of medical expenses so for the self. So they may have some problems. They may have problems in the knee problems, joint pain, or back pain. All these things can happen during this period. So they may have to visit doctors, spend a lot. So this may be the reason when Saturn aspecting the zodiac sign directly. Now Saturn aspecting the 5th house, so there may not be good support from the children. Children might not study well. Those who are waiting for kids for long, they may not get it in time. There may be problems, there may be issues, all problems they may face during this particular period. Those who are unmarried and waiting for an alliances, there are chances they can get married, they can get good alliances also. Business to an extent it is profitable, but it is not 100% good during this period. Those who are working in the educational institutes, they can get a good income. Those who are in the agriculture industries like farmers, they can get good benefits during this period. Again, those who are the merchants and FMCG, they can also get good returns during this period. Now when you consider Rahu's negative effect, Rahu, the 3rd house seems to be better because the position of Rahu seems to be good as it is the 3rd house of the zodiac sign. So it will not do much harm, there may be good benefits, but at the same time there may be lack in their efforts. Some of the issues may come, some may not get good support from their younger sisters and brothers. So these are some of the problems. Those who are not getting good jobs, they have been waiting for good job opportunities, they have to struggle a lot to get a good job opportunities because the 10th house lord is also at the 12th house. So there may be a lot of problems during this period. So considering all the positions of the planets and the places where the Saturn and Jupiter are aspecting, we can say for Pisces, this Jupiter transit can give them up to 75% positivity.